Good morning, kindergarten. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020, and this is your guided reading lesson for the day for kindergarten. These are the supplies you will need. Have out your speedy alphabet paper with your green window that you have and one dice. Try to find a dice from your home somewhere. So you'll have that. And then I want you to also have your book 10 and the number tracing sheet. Okay, we're going to be going through our numbers, making sure that we're forming those correctly. Our book and our Diables race game. I'm going to go through with you and do the letters first, just so to make sure that you know them. We're doing uppercase and lowercase. Then I'm going to ask you to pause the video here in a minute so that you can play this game for a few minutes, okay? With yourself at home or maybe with a parent. So get these three supplies together and then we'll begin. All right, let's put these off to the side. Let's get ourselves warmed up today. Your Diables race game should look like mine. We have uppercase and lowercase letters today. We're going to go through each row and read the letters, and then I want you to pause the video so that you can play for a few minutes, okay? Here we go. Fingers out. We're going to say the letter names. Please say it with me, friends. Here we go. A, C, D, J, F, G, I, L, O, Y. All right, let's go to row 2. Q, E, R, U, B, V, M, Z, Q. Let's go to row 3. P, O, I, U, Y, T, R, E, W, S. Row 4. N, D, V, C, B, Z, X, S, P. Row 5. D, G, H, J, K, L, Q, U, R, E. And our last row, row 6, friends, here we go. T, W, Z, B, D, D, B, N, N. Now remember, when you're reading your Diables race game, I want you to read it as quickly as you can, but make sure that your letters are right, but quick. So it would look like this if I was trying to read A as fast as I could go. A, C, D, J, F, G, I, L, O, Y. Or if you're playing with a mom or a dad and they think you know this so well and you're so fast, you can also do your sounds. That would be a great exercise, like this. A, K, D, J, F, G, I, L, A, Y. Okay, so pause your video and play for about 5 minutes. Pause your video now. Okay, welcome back, friends. I hope you played your Diables race game for at least 5 minutes. I hope you were able to read almost all the rows at some point. That's a very good exercise to help you practice your letter names and your letter sounds and to be very quick with them too. Let's move those off to the side. Let's get out our book called 10. 10. Let's say our numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's open up our book. Let's take a little picture walk. What's happening on page 1, friends? I'm listening. All right. I'm listening. Tell me what's happening on page 2. What do you see? All right, let's go to page 3. What do you see on page 3? Tell me all about it. I'm listening. All right, I see a pattern here. I see 10 things on this page. I see 10 things on that page, and I see 10 things over here. Do you notice that? No wonder the book is called 10. All right, let's read it together. 10. Page 1. 10 men get on the jet. A lot of men. Page 2. 10 hens get in the pen. A lot of hens. Page 3. 10 kids get in the bed. A lot of kids. Good job, friends. All right. When our video is done today, please be sure you read your book 10 to mom or dad or brother or sister, okay? We're going to read that one more time at the end. Let's go ahead and get our numbers paper out. I know sometimes you have these in the morning when you come to school. You also might have them in math class. But today, we are going to practice writing our numerals. Mostly because, friends, I want to be sure that you're writing them correctly. I know you know how to write your numbers, but we want to practice making sure that we form them correctly. So let's say our rhyme as we write the number 1. Line straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Very good. Number 2. Say it with me while you're writing. Around and back on the railroad track. Toot, toot. Good. Let's move on to number 3. Say it with me. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Good. We're going all the way to 10, aren't we? Number 4. Please say it with me. Down and over, down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Good. All right. Number 5. Down and around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Down and around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Good job. Let's move over to number 6. Get you a little bit closer. A line and a loop will do the tricks. That's the way to make a 6. Here's my favorite rhyme. Say it with me. Line across and fall from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Line across, fall from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Good. Let's move on to number 8. Make an S and close the gate. That's the way to make an 8. Make an S, close the gate. That's the way to make an 8. A loop and a line will do just fine. That's the way to make a 9. Good. And in honor of our book today, let's do our number 10. A 1 and a 0. A 1 and a 0. Good. Don't forget to write your name at the top. And if you're super smart, you're going to do the date 4-20-20. Good job, friends. All right. Before you go today, I just want to remind you to read your book 10 again. Hey, that rhymes. Also, either read all of your other blue books, review those, or choose a different color. Choose your red, orange, yellow, or green set to review. So 10, and then choose a color that you want to review of your books. All right, I love you and have a great day.